guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will talk about the L'Oréal Graduate Engineer Trainee Program. So see the video till end to get to know all the information about L'Oréal Graduate Engineering Training Program, where to apply. I will paste the link in the description box. So go through that. So first we will see what's that the program and what's the location. So location first is Baddi, Himachal, Chakan, Pune. Hope I am pronouncing well. Then what is the recruitment process? So first is screening round. The screening round is on 20th March 2025. So where the screening round evaluates the candidates against specific criteria to determine eligibility for the next stage. And then we have second round called online assessment, where the online assessment test candidate on technical knowledge as well as aptitude and problem solving skill to qualify for the next stage. So this round is on 21st March. Then after clearing this round, we have online interview round, where a virtual interaction to assess your technical knowledge as well as problem solving skill and professional skills they will know from you. And then last round is offline interview round, where you have to face discussion with their leaders, evaluating your expertise, potential and alignment with L'Oreal vision. So you have to submit your work and you have to submit your updated CV. Then, as we don't need to introduce L'Oreal, as we all know what is L'Oreal and what is L'Oreal does. So then, as a graduate engineer, they have like program of 12-month rotational designed to accelerate your professional growth in L'Oreal for Chakan and Baddi, Himachal. Then they are getting placement for manufacturing as well as supply chain, then quality control, packaging, product development and sourcing. So there are various like opportunities to get into L'Oreal, so please be prepared carefully. Then what are the ideal candidate for L'Oreal training program? Who is able to resolve the complex technical challenges, capacity to integrate knowledge from different engineering disciplines, then critical thinking, adaptability, changing priorities, willing to embrace new challenges, strong communication skills as well. So their ideal candidate should be in problem solving, transdisciplinary thinking, critical thinking and strong communication. Then what's in it for you? Like, you are the job seeker, then what you will get from L'Oreal? Opportunity to work on live project with the business impact, a place for you to leave your comfort zone and grow beyond your potential. Real responsibility from day one. There is no sitting on the sidelines at L'Oreal. Then environment people of L'Oreal as well. Then what are the requirements for this L'Oreal Graduate Engineering Training Program? You should be final year BTech student from all streams. Preference for mechanical as well as chemical engineers. Strong analytical mindset and problem solving abilities. Excellent communication teamwork skills. Passion for technology, innovation and process optimization. Adaptability in fast-paced dynamic environment. Then preferred qualifications are prior internships or project experience in manufacturing, operation or research and development. Then familiarity with automation, sustainability or digital transformation. Then a strong interest in FMCG and beauty industry innovations. As we said, locations are Baddi, Himachal plant, then Chakan, Pune. Then what is the compensation and perks, like main salary part? Then they are offering 30 LPA, that is 30 lakh per annum. Then health and wellness benefits as well, learning and development, global exposure, employee discounts, work life balance, career growth. Then as we discuss the rounds, each round in selection process is eliminatory, must know thing about that. Then job type is in office full time. Perk is medical insurance. If you have any inquiry, any comment or any feedback, you can comment down. Thanks for watching my video.